Hi YouTube family, this is Buffy from Buffy's Flavorful Journey. And life is a journey. I'm on a journey. If you check the community post for the channel, I posted a few days ago about hair loss I've suffered since taking the COVID vaccine. Some of my hair has grown back, still not as long as it used to be. One of the products I mentioned that I've used to get my hair to grow back is Mielle. And I ordered a bunch of products from them. And here they are. The only thing I don't have in here was a hair bonnet that you sleep in, but I gave that to a family friend who didn't have any, a silk hair bonnet. And these are all the leave-in conditioners. Here's the rosemary and mint strengthening shampoo. I love this stuff. And this is the corresponding leave-in conditioner. I got 2 of those. I got another one of the shampoos. So I have 2 shampoos, 2 leave-in conditioners. And I have 3 of these rosemary mint pomade oil scalp quencher. No matter what people say, I know it was a trend a few years ago for black and brown women not to put oil or grease, that's what we used to call it back in the day, in our hair. Put it in your hair. Our hair needs to be moisturized. So I have 3 of those, and I have 2 of these. This is a hair mask. What I do is I shower. When I wash my hair, I do it all, the same time. So I get in the shower, I wash my hair first. If I'm going to do the leave-in conditioner, I don't do that till the very end when I'm getting ready to get out of the shower, because I don't want to shower and have it be rinsed out. If I'm going to use this hair mask, as soon as I get done washing my hair, I put this on, and then I put one of those little cheapy plastic caps on, and I keep that on my head while I take my shower. My shower is about 15 to 20 minutes long, so I'm in the shower, I'm getting the heat from the shower, the warm water, and it's, giving me that deep moisturizing conditioning that I need. So, and I do that every 6 weeks. But that's what I've been doing. My hair is soft. And thankfully, it has started to grow back. Now, you may be wondering, do I regret taking the COVID vaccine? No, I don't. I'm a type 2 diabetic. I also have high blood pressure and high cholesterol. All of those are under control. And in fact, my doctor wants me to stop one of the diabetes medicines. I'm a little scared to do that because I don't eat right. I know that. Long story short, I'm glad I took the vaccine, because if I had have contracted COVID, I'm pretty sure I'd been dead. I would not have survived it because of my conditions. I mean, think about it. The vaccine took all my hair out. And I'll try to find a picture where I had really long hair, because I used to have hair just below my shoulder, just barely below my shoulder. And it took all of my hair out. So I'm pretty sure if I had contracted COVID-19, I'd be dead. So no, I don't regret taking the vaccine. I get all the boosters when they're available. I also get my flu shot booster and everything every year. I'm not advocating for you to do the same. I'm not advocating for you not to get the vaccine. I'm just sharing my personal story. So let me know in the comments if you guys have been suffering hair loss. And also, I'm thinking it was the COVID vaccine. It could have been something else. I don't know, because I'm 54. When I started taking the vaccine, that was in 20 or 21. So I was 51, 52. And people that go through, not people, but women that go through menopause, one of the symptoms is hair loss. So maybe that was a part of it as well. I don't know. But I do know when I took that very first vaccine, because the first time it was released, you had to get 2 shots. I got that first shot. 6 weeks later, I went and got the second shot. Well, that 6-week period, my hair was just coming out. In that time, I'd wash my hair at least 3 or 4 times. And I'm washing my hair, and I see, hairs on my hands, is in my comb, is in my brush. And I'm thinking I just have some shrinkage going on. No, I finally pressed my hair out. My hair was gone. But again, I don't regret taking the vaccine, because I'm pretty sure if I had contracted COVID-19, I'd be dead. So let me know in the comments your experience with the vaccine. Let me know in the comments your experience with any of the Mielle products. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. It's Miel or Miel. And let me know how to pronounce it, because I might be pronouncing it incorrectly. But anyway, thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.